Hit it.
Hopaj hop și iară hop, huțulca, huțulca, cafeluța îi pe foc, dar huțulca, huțulca.
I need an egg. Thank you.
My dog, what's good with you? Hey, dab me up, dab me up. Yeah.
Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
This is my pet duck Adam going for his first swim. Be careful, Adam. Adam!
King China. Ding 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 ding.
Can you hold the f***ing light straight?
It's lights out, and away we go. Verstappen gets away well, as does Charles Leclerc. Perez is trying to cover him off.
Einfach Zuschauer. Guten Tag, Freunde.
Capybara, 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 capybara.
Oh. Right, we're done. Oh.
Bro. Oh, what the? What?
Hold it. It's Mr. Krabs.
No way.
Put him right here.
He looks so cute. Oh my god.
Why are you still here? Go away.
Wilson just coughed and farted.
I need an egg. Thank you.
These people were lost and stopped to ask for directions.
Buenas tardes, perdona, ¿para Bolonia? Para allá. Venga, gracias.
Qué bueno, tío. Ole.
Oh my god. He's eating my car. Maybe there's something dead on it.
This sheep was stuck in a trench and got rescued.
Молодец, Света. Умничка. Умничка. Все, операция удалась.
Thank you for being so patient. You've been so patient.
Oh, the other one.
Okay, now. Be careful.
This poor
Hey!
Chicken, get out of there. Go to your cage.
This monkey just realized that he might need some glasses.
He's got my glasses.
What's your prescription, bro?
So, what do you think he's thinking about? I think we found out who the main character is. She kept being harassed by her horse, so she decided to finally catch him in the act. They were spotted chasing a butterfly. I think this fish is broken. Sometimes an octopus will try and punch a fish just for fun.
Wakey, wakey.
Oh my god.
This is a hognose snake, which is a harmless snake that likes to play dead. For some reason, this cow was trying to catch its own tail. I have never seen this type of disrespect before.
Okay.
For some reason, this hamster has a knife. Why is this capybara so small? This truck that was carrying oranges broke down, so these elephants took advantage.
The guys have got a bit of a problem here. And the elephants are coming and helping themselves, taking advantage.
These eagles were trying to build a nest together.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Apertura automática.
Ma che brava, Nisso!
He's done with asking and has started demanding.
Oh my god.
This guy found a really round bear.
He is a fat bear. Oh my god, the Gina bear.
He's so chunky. There's a lot more over here on this left side.
This duck loves getting kisses.
Is not back.
Have you ever seen a horse that's equipped with turbo? This pigeon was hurt, so they spent months nursing it back to full health. They were finally ready to release it back into the wild. I can't tell which bird is more angry. This poor little guy doesn't know how wheels work.